Hey people, in this video I'll be showing you 6 more Kotsoft applications, demos or experiments or whatever you want to call them. Now I'm going to be starting from the earliest, which is this physics toy thing, and I'm going to progress to the last. Now not all of the applications have the full controls. For example, this one's missing some of the features which the later ones have. So I won't even bother getting into the controls just yet. I'll start on the next video. And I'll quickly explain that I recorded this using Fraps. That's F-R-A-P-S. It's a pretty good video recording program for games. And I'm using the no sync option and also no cursor, which is quite necessary for no sync, so that you get a smoother video. But as a consequence of this, you can't see my mouse cursor. And now I'm spawning a bit of this jelly stuff to push the boxes. Creates pressure there, and just demonstrating the physics basically. Okay, and I'll start telling you the controls. This jelly stuff is right mouse button. Oil is middle mouse button, and water is the left mouse button. You can even use all three at once and it'll create this stuff. And if you want to get rid of it, simply press C. Now I'm going to fill these boxes with different materials, and I'll show you another control. Alright, what you do is you hold F is for force, and you can hold the right mouse button to attract, so that'll pull the particles towards your mouse. If you hold F and the left mouse button, it'll repel particles, so it'll push them away from your mouse. And if you hold F and the middle mouse button, it'll twirl them in a circle. Now I'm going to show you with this stuff. That's a bit of attract, repel, and I'm going to start twirling it now as well. But it doesn't work too well. It's not the best demonstration of it. Also notice that this version is a graphical improvement over the last. It uses video card shaders for its graphics effects. And here's the next one. Same thing again. This one features a frames per second counter as well as a particles counter. Now mine's stuck on 30 permanently because of the method I used to record this. Otherwise it'll be stuck on 60, which is my screen's refresh rate. And also notice that the particles are smaller in this one, so you could probably fit more. Now I'm gonna messing with the forces here, but I will also spawn about 4,000 particles just to show you what it looks like when there's 4,000 on the screen. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. This level introduces dragging, and I'm going to fill the screen with a bit of stuff and then I'll show you the drag. And also remember, you can use forces. Here's attract and a bit of twirling as well. Alright, now the way you use drag is to hold D and move your mouse over the points and they will go red. Now as long as you hold D, those points will follow wherever you move your mouse. And I'm using it to bash the various elements right now. And as soon as you let go of D, it just simply lets go like that. Now I'm not sure what's different about this version. I don't know, maybe it's a bit faster, or who knows, maybe it uses both cores, I'm not sure. but I'm just going to mess around with it for a little bit and I'll move on to the next one after that. I'm just going to fill this ball with oil and then put water around it just to see if it makes it float, which it probably won't because the thing has weight already. And it doesn't float. Now you can push the oil out by filling the stuff with jelly or whatever, and that's enough of that level. Okay, now this is the last one. It's got a wheel which spins. It's got a central pivot point. Now I'm gonna mess with it for a little bit and I'll do a bit of dragging into the jelly material soon. Alright, what I'm doing is filling the bottom with jelly and I'm going to drag the wheel around to try and make it take chunks out of the jelly. So I've just selected 2 points beholden D and I'm moving my mouse around. Now there's probably not enough jelly, so I'll add a bit more stuff. Just adding a bit more jelly before I finish this up, and I'll show you a little trick that I forgot earlier on. Okay, here's the trick. Basically, if you hold your mouse along the edge, my mouse is in the black area, you can make stuff shoot out in a fountain like that. Even on the side walls, I'll shoot some jelly out the side now. And the more buttons you press, the more chaotic it comes. It'll shoot behind the wall a bit, like that. Yep, and that's it.